In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block dates on Calendly. Whether you're trying to manage your schedule more effectively or need to set aside personal time, blocking off dates on Calendly is a handy skill to have. Let's dive in and see how you can do this with ease. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Calendly website. It's a free online appointment scheduling software that simplifies the way you manage your calendar. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. It's pretty straightforward. Just click on the login button that you'll find somewhere around the top right corner of the web page. After clicking login, you'll see some options for logging in, like using your Google account, which is really convenient. Go ahead and click on continue with Google. This is not only a fast way to get started, but it also securely connects your Calendly account to your Google services. Once you have chosen this option, you may see a list of Google profiles linked to your device. Click on your profile name to proceed, and then you'll be taken to your main dashboard. If you've logged in successfully, you should see a variety of scheduling options and settings available to you. From here, click on Availability. This is where you'll be managing your schedule and setting up those blocks of time. It's vital to remember that scheduling conflicts can lead to unnecessary stress, so flawlessly managing your availability is crucial. Next, you'll want to locate the hours section. This is where the real magic happens in terms of optimizing your schedule. By clicking on hours, you'll be able to see a calendar view where you can make adjustments to each day of the week. Now navigate to the date you want to block. Let's say you need to set aside the 31st for an important event. Click on that specific date. You'll notice it gets highlighted, signifying that it's selected for adjustment or blocking. Once highlighted, if the system presents you options, you'll want to make sure you're highlighting the areas you aim to block out. The highlight tool is an intuitive feature here and is incredibly useful. Finally, after you've made your selections and you're satisfied with the blockings, don't forget to click Apply. This is the final step to ensure that your changes have been saved and your dates are effectively blocked. And there you have it, a simple way to manage your schedule and block dates on Calendly, ensuring you remain in control of your time. With these steps, you can confidently set your availability, knowing you won't double book or miss out on any important personal days. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other helpful guides for more tips and tricks.